Hey, welcome to AC Anatomy for Medical. It's Adrian here from AC Anatomy. So this is just a quick walkthrough on we will be studying the cranium of the human skull. This is what I have on screen right now. The 30 viewers that we have on our website. The link will be in the description. So starting from the top and upwards. So what we have, we just gonna be studying these names, and then if you also have this app which I'm gonna share the link on the description. Please wait, it's $1 for now. But then what you have over here, it's all the landmarks. As you can see, these points, when I click on them, this just shows you which is this, the landmarks and so forth. Let's just go through all of these. So first things first, we have our chronology suture, which suture, it's what it's like a, if I can put it like in simple terms, you can call it like a glue or like an attachment of bone to bone. So the chronology suture, it's this suture going through from the frontal bone and the two parietal bones, and then the sphenoid bone. So this is a chronology suture, as you see over here. And if you flip it to the other side also, it runs through like so. See, this is the frontal bone. This is still the chronology suture right here. That's our chronology suture. And as I just said, we have our frontal bone, this bone over here, your forehead, and then we have, let's just go with these. We have our supraorbital process. Like in simple terms, to understand processes, it's where muscles attach. So there will be muscle attaching over here, so it's very um, important to know. And then we have our supraorbital foramen. Foramens are like holes, so blood vessels and all the vessels run through here to supply the internal organs. And then what we have also, we have the sphenoid bone. This is the outside part. There's also an inside part, so you can see over here the suture. And then this is the sphenoid bone. As I have it checked over here, I have the temporal bone, this bone over here running right through like so. This bone over here, we have the sphenoid bone, and then we have the squamous suture, which divides, which connects the parietal bone and then the temporal bone, this suture over here. If I move to the back, we have the lambdoid suture, as you see, connecting the parietal bone and the occipital bone. Speaking about occipital bone, we have occipital bone, the back bone over here, which is the occipital bone, and then we have this protuberance that we have. There will be muscles attaching over here. Probably like if you touch it, you can kind of feel it over here, the protuberance, if you touch your head. This external occipital protuberance that we have at the back. If I pan and move to the top, we have the sagittal suture, which connects the two parietal bones. So we have one parietal bone and another one on the other side. Here's our sagittal suture. And then not leaving, let's go back to the bottom over here. So we have our ear inlet. So this is our ear bone over here. So this is where all the sound rays come in, which is the external acoustic meatus. Probably one of the best names I never forget. I don't know, somehow. So this is the inlet of the sun rays. And then we have our master process again, it's where muscles will be attaching on our ear. If you can palpate on the side or the back of your ear, you can kind of feel this bone at the back of your ear, sorry. And then we have the started process, and again, where the muscle will be attaching. and then we have the zygomatic bone over here, our chin bone, zygomatic bone, and then we have our ethmoid bone inside over here, and then we have a small bone also, the lacrimal bone. Let me just pan just to show you guys how this looks. And then we have our nasal bone. Let me just shift this right through like so. This our nose bone over here, that's our nasal bone. And then we have our vomer, this part in our nose, and then the nasal spine, this one pointing right through. If I just pan it, you can just see this is our nasal spine. And then lastly we have our maxilla, as you can see, running right through, attaching all our teeth also. It also divided into two parts. I'm not, you can see in this model. So we have another one over here and then over here for almost most of the bones. It's like so. So that was our main bones we have on the skull, and then our processes. Again, thank you guys for your time. It's Adrian from ASA Anatomy for Medical, and stay tuned. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe on our channel. We'll be sharing more full anatomy studies in 3D. Again, see you guys on the next one.